Pakistan's economy has faced many challenges in recent years, with high inflation, a large trade deficit, a low tax-to-GDP ratio, and a shortage of foreign exchange reserves. These issues have led to a deteriorating economic situation in the country, with rising debt and a falling currency. One of the main factors contributing to Pakistan's economic struggles is its energy crisis. The country has long suffered from a shortage of electricity and natural gas, which has led to frequent power outages and disrupted economic activity. The energy crisis is partly due to a lack of investment in the power sector, as well as issues with theft and non-payment of bills. The government has taken steps to address this issue, including investing in new power generation capacity and launching a campaign to crack down on electricity theft. Another major issue facing Pakistan's economy is its trade deficit, which has been growing steadily in recent years. The country imports more goods than it exports, leading to a shortfall in foreign exchange reserves. The trade deficit is partly due to a lack of competitiveness in Pakistan's exports, as well as high levels of imports of goods like oil and machinery. The government has attempted to address this issue by promoting exports and implementing measures to curb imports, such as raising import tariffs. Pakistan also has a low tax-to-GDP ratio, meaning that the government collects relatively little revenue from taxes compared to the size of the economy. This has contributed to a large fiscal deficit, which has been financed by borrowing, leading to rising debt levels. The government has attempted to address this issue by implementing tax reforms and cracking down on tax evasion. In addition to these economic challenges, Pakistan has also faced political instability and corruption, which have undermined investor confidence and hindered economic growth. The country has experienced several military coups and periods of political turmoil in recent decades, as well as ongoing conflicts with neighboring India and Afghanistan. Corruption is also a significant issue in Pakistan, with many politicians and officials accused of embezzlement and other financial crimes. To address these challenges, the government has implemented a number of economic reforms and initiatives in recent years, including seeking assistance from international financial institutions such as the IMF. The IMF has provided Pakistan with several loans in recent years, but these loans have come with conditions, such as requiring the government to implement structural reforms like tax reform and privatization of state-owned enterprises. However, these measures have not yet been sufficient to turn the economy around, and further reforms and investments will likely be needed to achieve sustained economic growth and stability in Pakistan. The country has significant potential for growth, with a large, young population and abundant natural resources, but realizing this potential will require significant efforts to address the challenges facing the economy.